Welcome everyone to Ryan Richard Slots. We're here at Potawatomi Hotel in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We're gonna try our luck on some Lightning Link, the horse game. I don't know, I don't know the name of it. All right, let's get to it. All right, so we need 3 of those dollar sign symbols or any 6, I don't know, cups with the dollar amount in them. The horse is wild. All right, nice $25 hit right from the get-go. All right, jacks. Come on. These are the progressives up above that we're playing for. And we were 1 away from triggering the free games. We need 3 of those, the dollar sign, horseshoe and dollar sign in them. Come on. Let's try and get those trophies, yeah. We need 6 of them, come on. 2 more, oh, that would've been nice. $100 mini. All right, little line hit there, $14. Come on, oh, Kings. 2 more. Oh, they just went down under that queen in that last reel. Come on, free games. Oh, both free game symbols were just down on that 4th and 5th reel. Come on. 4 more? No. 2 of the symbols. I need 3. 4 cups. Come on. All right, little line hit there. $20 line hit. Keeps me alive. Come on, 1 more. Just missed it. All right, another little line hit there with 9s on the Jack Rich. $21. Come on, 4 more. 3 more. Come on, free games. Or I'll take those trophies. 3 more. 1 more. It keeps teasing me with 2 and then with multiple trophies, but I just cannot seem to trigger a bonus here. What's going on? We're starting to get down there, guys. Not looking too good. Oh, and I had that whole reel was all horses. It just went down. All right, $25 helps keep me alive. Come on. 1 more. I was hoping that last reel would have landed. right, looks like last spin coming in. Oh, I think they'll actually have the... Ah, no way. I get one more spin? One more spin, all right. Kings. All right, get a couple more spins out of this. All right, let's do the wage saver. All right, maybe. Nope. All right, well, that's going to do it on Lightning Link, the horse game. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.